algorithms search engine efficiency primarily for 5 top major corporations. One is Google.
It's a home for eccentricity. So you could be as absurd, as surreal, epic as you choose.
3-dimensional. Right, I got into art to kind of understand it.
This is my mini library. I have a much bigger library. I study sound, and music is sound. And if you study in what is sound, right? So that was like my online viral name. Computational linguistics or natural language processing, which is machines' inability to decipher ambiguity. The term is phonetics.
And primary phonology, things like intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation.
Philosophical analysis, psychological analysis. Mutually exclusive disciplines converge.